All right, 5.3, part 2. Okay, the start off with the problem is going to look just like all the other problems. 19 minus 5 times the quantity t minus 5 is less than or equal to 4 times the quantity t minus 3. Okay, do our distributive properties. 9t minus 5t plus 25 is less than or equal to 4t minus 12. Moving our t's, combining our t's here, that is 4t, and I subtract 4t from both sides. Well, let's write that out. 4t plus 25 is less than or equal to 4t minus 12. We subtract 4t from both sides. When I do that, I get 25 is less than or equal to a negative 12. And whenever is a negative 25 less than, or excuse me, a positive 25 less than or equal to a negative 12, that is a false statement. And when you get a false statement, that means there is no solution. It's called empty set, meaning there is no solution. And that is the symbol for empty set. That is not a zero. That is a zero with a line through it, meaning the empty set. Okay, that's one scenario when you have inequalities, where it comes down to a statement that is false, and when the statement is false, we get an empty set. Now, in the next case, we have 3 times the quantity 4m plus 6. 4m plus 6 is less than or equal to 42 plus 6 times the quantity 2m minus 4. Distributive property first. 12m plus 18 is less than or equal to 42 plus 12m minus 24. Okay, now when I subtract 12m from both sides, that is again going to eliminate my m term, but 18 is less than or equal to 42 minus 24, that is 18 is less than or equal to 18. That is true. When is 18 equal to 18? Always. Okay? This comes down to two constants in which the statement is true. Since I have a true statement, but I don't have a variable, then that means the answer set is x for all x is a real number, and the symbol for that would be a capital R, meaning all real numbers. So you have the two scenarios. One, where we get empty set, which leads to a false statement, or two, we get all real numbers, which it is a true statement. So let's take a look here now. Your turn. See if you can figure out what this is. 18 minus 3 times the quantity 8c plus 4 is greater than or equal to a negative 6 times the quantity 4c minus 1. Distributive properties. 18 minus 24c minus 12 is greater than or equal to a negative 24c plus 6. Now I have a minus 24c on each side, so when I add 24c to both sides, I'm going to have 18 minus 12 is greater than or equal to 6. 18 minus 12, that's 6, is greater than or equal to 6. That is true. So your answer is all real numbers. Last example or last problem. 46 less than or equal to 8m minus 4 times the quantity 2m plus 5. Go ahead, do that on your own. 46 is less than or equal to 8m minus 8m minus 20. The 8m minus 8m is 0, so I have 46 is less than or equal to a negative 20. That is false, so that means our answer is empty set. Go ahead.